Hi, I'm Catherine. I'm a junior here at Auburn and I'm a housing ambassador. Welcome to Cambridge Hall, home to 300 undergraduate students and a great community. In the lobby in Cambridge Hall, you will find an RA sitting at the desk from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. There are 5 RAs in the building, 1 on each floor. Each bedroom in Cambridge comes with 2 beds, 2 dressers per person. Each person also gets their own closet, their own desk, and their own desk chair. There's also cable and Wi-Fi in each room. And the special thing about Cambridge is that there's a thermostat within the room, so students can change the temperature to how they like.